Hello and welcome back for today's Financial News Digest, presented by CenterFX, your reliable partner in trading. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
Tesla stock rose 3.3% on Wednesday to close at $459.46, driven by investor optimism ahead of upcoming earnings and strong electric vehicle demand. The Nikkei index traded above $45,000 on Thursday, ending a four-day losing streak and following overnight gains on Wall Street, as investors looked past the U.S. government shutdown expected to last at least 3 days. Brent crude oil futures edged higher to around $65 per barrel, but remained near a 4-month low, weighed down by expectations of higher OPEC supply amid broader uncertainties. The British pound climbed near $1.35, marking a 4-day winning streak, its longest since August, as dollar weakness deepened amid sentiment pressure from the third U.S. government shutdown under Trump. Ether surged 5% to around $4,400 this week, driven by renewed institutional interest and declining exchange reserves. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 9 a.m., the euro area to release the unemployment rate for August, following 6.2% in July. At 11:30 p.m., the unemployment rate in Japan is expected to increase, after reaching 2.3% in July. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. to release the non-farm payrolls for September, following 22,000 jobs in August. At 12:30 p.m., the unemployment rate in the U.S. is expected to increase, after reaching 4.3% in August. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the Services Purchasing Managers Index of September, following 52 in August.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by CentFX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.